Hola, ¿cómo va todo, pana? Entra, entra.
¿Qué te pasa, no? Okay. Am I leaving the door open so as my brother knows everything is okay?
Sure, no problem. No problem. Perdón. This is Marta.
Marta, hello.
I am Hector.
I ain't Tony. So, Oma says you're okay?
Yeah? Good. Almost okay.
Okay?
Okay. So, you got the money?
You got your stuff?
Sure, I have this stuff, but I don't have it right here with me now. I got it close by. What's here for it?
I don't have the money either, man. I have it close by too.
Where? In the car?
No, not in the car, man.
No?
How about you? Where'd you have your stuff?
Not far.
Okay. You want me to come in? We start over again, man?
Where are you from, Tonio?
What the fuck difference does it make where I'm from, man?
Coño, cógelo que está easy, man. I just want to get to know how I do business with
You're
you.
gonna get to know me when you start doing business with me and stop fucking around, Hector. Okay?
Mira, Antonio,
What's the
en mi casa-
story?
¡No te muevas, cabroncito!
Páralo en el baño, ahora.
Oh, fuck face. You just fucked yourself. You're still from UK.
Yeah? Okay. You going to give me the cash? Or do I kill your brother first? Before I kill you.
Why don't you try sticking your head up your ass? See if it fits.
Yeah? Sube el volumen. Hey, Antonio. Mira. Watch what happened to your friend. You don't want this to happen to you? Let me the money, okay? ¡Coño! Dame, ¿eh? Vamos a ver. Ya es hora, man. Ya es hora.
Let's do it, man. Come on.
Ok. No te apures, ¿ok? No apures. Cuidado con los viejos, Okay, got a cicatriz. You can die too, it makes no difference to me. Ok, Chicho. Tú puedes para atrás. Yo subo por aquí encima. Let's change, pendejo. Fuck you.
Take him out of here, quick. Chichi, Chichi, get the air. Está bien, Tony. Oye, Jackson. Leo, get him in. Come on, let go. Listen to him.